Hello, I would like to say I have gotten a new phone. It's been a long time. The iPhone 14 in purple. Yes, purple. 128 gigabytes. No, I already activated it in the store, but I just wanted to show you guys. Uh, the Apple stickers on my organizer box. So you see that. And I already bought a case at the store. Hey, I didn't even pay for this. It was part of that cool deal with that phone carrier that I'm not going to give out just yet. But I'm sorry, I can't compare the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 14 because I had to trade that to give it back. So you get the deal. This is way faster and more fluid. I like it. It's very, yeah, it's smooth as ever. It's cool. Anyway, we're going to do some more tests with the older iPhone. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, comment, and whatever. And I'll see you in the next one. Also, you're going to follow me on the new social media app, which I'll have it in the description later. Because Twitter is something. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.